meantime, get you an update coming in from the Supreme Court, which has granted interim protection from arrest to Malayalam actor Siddiq in a rape case registered against him. And it was previously, when it comes to the Kerala High Court, which had dismissed his petition seeking anticipatory bail. But Jayalakshmi is with us right now. Jayalakshmi, the Supreme Court granting him interim protection, however, said that he will also be joining the investigation.
Yes, in fact, after Kerala High Court had, denied his anticipatory bail, he had challenged the High Court's order and filed a special leave petition in the SC, and in fact, that in which the SC had given him an interim protection from arrest. So now, as we know that the SIT is collecting evidences right now and trying to, they were trying to arrest Siddiq after the High Court had rejected his anticipatory bail. But now that the Supreme Court has given him an interim protection from arrest, definitely the arrest won't happen. But definitely the investigation is going on, and Siddiq will be, after High Court had said that they had observed that Siddiq's involvement was there in this specific sexual assault case. So definitely the special investigation team will go and record his statement, is what we get to know right now.
All right. So as far as the investigation is concerned, what all requirements that have been put forth by the court so that interim protection that has been granted to Siddiq as far as the actor is concerned, of course, when it comes to the Me Too allegations that has been made. For the moment, thank you very much, Jayalakshmi, for joining in. Let's